Clickfunnels affiliate program, what it is, how it works, and I'm going to be showing you how I've earned over $100,000 with the program, and I'll also be showing you a bit in my account of how you can do it too. Let's get into it. Hey, so here I am in my Clickfunnels account, and as you see, I've earned over $111,000 with this program, and what's even better is I have a current MRR of $12,000. That means every month I have at least $12,000 that I'm going to make. But before we get too deep into the Affiliate Center, there's a few terms that you need to understand to really make the most of things. The first term is trial. Now, to understand working with the Clickfunnels program, you need to understand what a trial is. Now, a trial is a software term for saying you can use the software for free for a certain period of time before you're then charged for it. Now, Clickfunnels works off of a trial model. So when you get somebody to sign up, nobody actually makes any money because they're on a trial. But 14 days later, they have a chance to become a subscriber, and then you start making money. So that's what a trial is. Now, the second term you have to understand, which is also a software term, is MRR, and that stands for monthly recurring revenue. And what that is because Clickfunnels is a software so that people need to use it, and it's billed on a monthly basis. So every month people are charged anywhere between $97 or $297 to use the software for their business. Now, the way the commission structure works is you earn 40% of that. Now, that 40% is of either $97 or $297 a month, which means you'll earn anywhere between $40 to $120 per customer per month. And because people are hosting their websites on this, which is one of the most important parts of having an internet business, it means that basically as long as that person is continuing to run a website-based business, that you are going to continue to get paid that amount. Now, churn is an important number, and it's also another software term. And what churn means is how many people drop off of the subscription each month. So now, let's say I have 100 people that are paying for Clickfunnels for $97 a month. Those people aren't going to pay forever, right? You know, it's not something like they're just never going to stop paying. Even insurance companies and cable companies and phone companies have churn. You know, phone companies, their customers might last 10 years before they switch to another provider, or 20 years. But there's going to be some sort of drop off every month or year. Now, in Clickfunnels' case, this will likely vary by whoever the affiliate is. In my case, the churn is 11%. So Clickfunnels has a very low churn, and this is basically across the board. So when you get a customer, they're staying for basically, you can figure, a year, almost a year. So that's a lot of time, and that's a lot of money too. So average customer is going to be worth, you know, somebody who signs up for a free trial can be worth $400, which is really great. Now, another concept which is not necessary for this, but I'm going to explain a little bit, is painkiller versus vitamin. Is you want to be marketing programs that are painkillers versus vitamins. Vitamins are nice to have. Vitamins are about making your life easier, but they aren't necessary. You don't need to take vitamins to live. Whereas a painkiller is something you need to get rid of your headache. It's not a nice to have, it's about killing the pain now. And Clickfunnels, and why their program is so useful, is because Clickfunnels is marketed and is a painkiller for starting an online business for those of us who aren't technical. So that's why it's a great program. Let's get onto my computer. So here we are in the Clickfunnels dashboard, and as you'll see, basically to get over to the Affiliate Center, if you want to be an affiliate for Clickfunnels, you'd go over here, you'd put your mouse over here, and you'd click on this word, affiliates, right there. So let's go over there. You'll see, here's the money. This is the money that you earn from the Clickfunnels program. And as you can see, those numbers right there shows you how much you've been paid out, how much is pending payment, And you know how much I made today so far. So I made already $116 today, and I haven't even been marketing it. This is because I have recurring revenue with them. Now, what you'll see in the Clickfunnels affiliate account is that they have a ton of different funnels that you can market. So they have the 10x Secrets Masterclass, and they have the 30-day summit, and the one funnel away challenge. If you want to get some of these links, all you have to do is you have to click on affiliate tools and get links. Now, I'll be showing you, out of all the funnels, I'll be showing you what the best funnels are for marketing the Clickfunnels affiliate program, and I'll be showing you how I get all of my commissions from their affiliate program in just a second, but I want to give you a little explanation of this first. Here, so I clicked on the affiliate bootcamp, and here we see that we can choose our links. Now, this gives us our link right here. You see where it says grab affiliate link? We have our affiliate link right here where we can just copy and paste it. So let's get that. I'm going to copy, then I'm going to paste it into a new tab. And here you go. 100 days to turn this hobby into your full-time career. And then you have a whole sales video from Russell Brunson, which is teaching how to do their affiliate marketing bootcamp and learn how to be an affiliate for them. Okay, so they have their own program of how to do that, and they have a bunch of successful affiliate marketers for Clickfunnels of how they promoted and how they were able to make a lot of money as affiliates for Clickfunnels. Now, in my marketing, the way I actually go about promoting my affiliate links for Clickfunnels is I use just the standard, what's called Clickfunnels Affiliate Center. And as you see, I am really just marketing it as a website builder. That other link, the angle was that you can become an affiliate for Clickfunnels. Now, for the One Funnel Away Challenge, you can make $100 for every person who signs up, okay, for the boot camp. So you see here, this is a great way, and they give you banner ads that you can put on your website. They give you Instagram posts that you can put on your Instagram. They give you all sorts of different materials that you can market, emails to send to your friends or family or subscribers or what have you. So you can do any sort of way to promote this program of being an affiliate for Clickfunnels and earn $100. I prefer to market simply the website builder itself, and that's why I go into the Clickfunnels Affiliate Center right here, and I will click this link right here. Now, what's great about being an affiliate for the standard Clickfunnels subscription, the website builder, is that you can earn monthly recurring commissions, passive commissions very easily, but even better is that you can earn a dream car in the Dream Car Challenge. Check it out. So here we are in the Clickfunnels Affiliate Center, the main one, and you'll see they pay 40% monthly recurring commissions. Well, check this out. They even have support, okay? So you have an affiliate manager that will help answer whatever questions you have. But here's where it gets cool. Boom, Dream Car, baby. So as you see, if you surpass 100 active people who are paying for Clickfunnels every month, Clickfunnels will literally pay for your dream car. They'll pay up to $500 a month for whatever car you want. Now, if you're like me, where you crossed the second finish line and you got over 200 people on recurring subscriptions to Clickfunnels, you get $1,000 towards any car that you want, and Clickfunnels pays for it all for you. Pretty cool. So I'm up to 293 active subscribers to Clickfunnels each month. Sorry, I work so much with ClickBank and Clickfunnels, it's funny. And they give you different pages that you can promote. So as you see, you can promote the 14-day free trial. You can promote the secret funnel strategy. You can promote, the Lady Boss page. Now let's check out the Lady Boss page if you have a female audience. So here we go. We have the offer right here, which is the page you promote, and then we have our affiliate link. So let's copy this, paste it in our web browser. Now this is the page people see, and once again, you will earn commissions if people sign up for Clickfunnels through this link and then continue paying the monthly recurring subscription. Now this page is a well-built marketing page. It says how this flat broke newbie entrepreneur launched her online empire straight from her kitchen table with no product and zero tech experience, and changed the lives of 1.3 million followers in just 3 years. Kaylin has created 2 Comma Club funnels. Preview this web class. So now if you have a female-oriented audience, this would be a great funnel to serve them because it would kind of show them another, lady boss entrepreneur. That's her brand, Lady Boss actually. How she was able to create a very large health supplement brand just by using websites and online marketing. The reason why I don't personally promote this funnel is because I don't think it's direct and to the point enough. I don't want people buying into a business opportunity, because this sounds kind of like a business opportunity, right? It sounds kind of like starting a business, where I want people to buy the software itself, which is a bit more of a harder sell. But the difference is when you have people just buy into Clickfunnels for the software itself, people stay for a lot longer, and then also you get that monthly recurring revenue as people remain on and use the software for its core purpose, which is building a website. Easy, right? So here's the funnel I promote for Clickfunnels. And the funnel I promote is not the What's Your Dream Car, it is the free 14-day trial page. And this funnel is simply just kind of direct and to the point about the software. I'm sure other marketing pages might work better or get more people signing up, but I just use this link because it's direct, it's to the point, it's about the software, and I just want people on recurring revenue. That's really what I want. And the more recurring revenue I build up for myself, the better. So here's some of my numbers from my Clickfunnels Affiliate Center. And as you can see, here is my churn number. That means the number of people who drop off every month. And here is another number which is more advanced, but this is my trial stick rate. And as you see, 92% of people who sign up for the free trial, they put no money down, end up staying around and using Clickfunnels as their website software of choice. Now these numbers are very good, and it's because the way I actually promote Clickfunnels is for its core use, which is as a website builder, and I use it myself, and it's a very good website builder. You get more metrics in here, how many people are currently trialing, how many new trials are coming on each day. So you'll see a lot of that adds up to an additional $2,000 of additional recurring revenue that can be added on to the current $12,000 that I already have. So based on these numbers, next month I should have $15,000 a month of recurring revenue with Clickfunnels. And that's a really important number because once you are able to cover your monthly expenses with consistent recurring revenue, you've achieved financial freedom, and that's what I'd like for everyone here to achieve. So I highly recommend you get started with the Clickfunnels affiliate program. It's a great place if you want to build recurring revenue. I have a link somewhere down below of how you can get started with Clickfunnels and sign up for their affiliate program. So just click the link down below and get started with them. And if you'd like to see more videos of me on this channel talking about affiliate marketing, which is the future of sales, and it's the future. If you want to make any money online, you're going to be an affiliate. Everybody is. You can learn from me. Subscribe to this channel, click that like button, and write some comments. I'd love to hear from you.